Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tally ERP9 software. First, ensure you have the program installed on your system. Then, you will create a new company, inputting crucial financial information like your company name and fiscal year details. Familiarize yourself with the main gateway, which serves as your central hub for all operations. This initial setup is vital for accurate record keeping and efficient management of your business accounts. Once your company is set up, you can begin recording daily transactions. Accurately enter sales and purchase vouchers, ensuring all details like item quantities and prices are correct. Manage your cash flow by diligently recording all receipts and payments. For non-cash transactions, such as depreciation or adjustments, utilize journal vouchers. Consistent and accurate data entry is key to maintaining reliable financial records. Tally ERP9 makes generating financial reports straightforward. You can quickly view your balance sheet to understand your company's assets and liabilities at any given point. Analyze the profit and loss statement to gauge your business performance over a period, seeing your income versus expenses. Additionally, generate detailed ledgers for specific accounts and a trial balance to ensure accounting accuracy. Beyond basic accounting, Tally ERP9 offers powerful advanced features. Effectively manage your inventory by tracking stock items, their movements, and reorder levels. You can also streamline your payroll processing, handling employee salaries, deductions, and statutory payments with ease. These tools help optimize various aspects of your business operations. And hey, if you love reading, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.